Dear student, very good morning to all of you. Your warm welcome on my YouTube channel, our chemistry class. We are discuss on supramolecular devices. Today's our topic is photosensitive molecular receptor. Receptor molecules, being photosensitive groups, may display marked modification in their photophysical properties on the bonding of substrate species, leading to changes in their light absorption, like as color generation or emission features, and allowing their detection by spectroscopic measurements. They represent molecular devices for substrate selective optical signal geometry generation and for optical reading out of recognition process. Such chemosensors make possible the development of sensitive analytical methods for detection of the specific substrate. Chromo or lumino ionophore of macrocyclic or macropolycyclic type respond to the binding of metal ion and may be much interest as analytical tools, for instance, the environmental applications or for the study of ionic changes in biological process such as cell signaling receptor. Such combine the strong and selective complexing ability of cryptans with the intense absorption or emission properties of photosensitive groups like azophenol, spiron, spirobenzopyrene, anthracene, or coumarin. They display marked changes in absorption. These are in below diagrams. They display marked changes in absorption and fluorescence on complexion of alkali metal cation. Alkali metal cation, that is the NH2 group, for the protonation, thus acting as fluorescent signaling system. For instance, in very selective colorimetric assay of lithium in serum, responsive substances derived from other types of receptors like spirins and calicgerines present related properties. The macrotricyclic receptor display fluorescence detection of linear recognition of diammonium cations due to changes the changes in monomer excimer emission, and the bis-naphthyl macrotricyclic in given extremely long fluorescence enhancement on protonation. Being thus a very sensitive proton sensor, similar optical detection process operate in the recognition of barbiturate by a luminescence bispyrene and in the selective coloration of a spironpyrene derivatives on binding of guanosine derivatives. Fluorescence sensor may also be derived from cyclodextrins. Cyclodextrins is a supramolecule photosensitive receptor for anionic substrate have been reported in this section. Of special interest is the strong enhancement of the acridine fluorescence observed when adenosine triphosphate binds to a receptor molecules formed by a 24N6O2 macrocyclic cycle bearing a lateral acridine group as shown in 82, and this are 4.27. Guanosine triphosphate slightly decrease the emission. Thus, this receptor is sensitive and selective ATP probe that generates a fluorescence signal on ATP binding. Such feature may be the use for the monitoring ATP level and reaction involving in ATP. responsive receptor molecules present feature that allow the development of molecular recognition dependence optodes optical sensor for the continuous monitoring of specific substrates in organism in the environment sector. Finally, one may note that variation in the beautiful color of flower due to anthocyanin result from supramolecular effect, namely copigmentation, intramolecular sandwich type stacking, and intermolecular association. Now we discuss next topic, our photo induced electron transfer in photoactive devices. Light absorption by Mach D affecting the electronic properties of molecules and metal complexes may induce intra or inter electron transfer process leading to electron hole separation. The photo generation of charge separated status by photo induced electron transfer, like it's PET. P means photo, E for induced, T for transfer, of is of interest for initiating photocatalytic reaction, that is natural and artificial photosynthesis, and for the transfer of photo signals. It may be realized in the three component entity containing a photosensitizer PS linked to an electron donor D and electron acceptor A, possessing suitable redox properties in their ground and excited state for photosensitizer status, so that irradiation of photosensitizer leads to electron transfer from donor to acceptor, yielding the charge separated triad D plus this means donor and P is photosensitizer and A minus is acceptor. Below figure. Numerous system of this type, such as the carotenoid, porphyrin, quinoine triad for photo-induced electron transfer in pentate, this section, have been extensively studied in many laboratories from the photochemical point of view and as model of natural photosynthetic center, especially in order to achieve very fast charge separation and slow recombination, for instance in multiporphyrin. Here you see that PS means photosensitizer, D means donor and A means acceptor. This is the excitation state, this is the electron transfer, and this is the change separated state, and this is the recombination. Here you see that D in excited state after H nu accepted some radiations, then PS is in this state, is excited, and after that electron transfer from D to A. D is going to positive and A is going to negative. This is the recombination from above state to last state. You can see here, this is stage to this stage. This is transition of photosensitizer. Here you see this is the compound. Schematic representation of the center of photochemical charge separation consisting of the photosensitizer PS, donor D and acceptor A, as well as impeding section group 8.2. Multiporphyrin complexes. In this Respect organized supramolecular assemblies have been used to separate the D, PS, and A components and influence the rate of forward and reverse electron transfer process so as to yield long-lived charge-separated states. The DA or PS unit may be metal coordination center, metal to ligand charge transfer MLCT in metal complexes such as metal is ruthenium second or rhenium first diamine center has been extensively used for the generation photo-induced electron transfer process. Our own work has been concerned with photo-induced charge separation in macropolycyclic co-receptor containing both a photosensitive porphyrin group and binding status for silver ion as acceptor center. Thus, complexation of silver ion by the lateral macrocycles as shown in next figure results in quenching of the singlet excited state of the zinc porphyrin center by an efficient intracomplex electron transfer from the porphyrin to Ag first, leading to charge separation and generating a porphyrinium cation of long lifetime. This is the zinc is metal. Long range thermal and photo-induced electron transfer process are of particular interest in both chemistry and biology. Rigidly linked components allow the investigation of the geometrical factor influencing electron transfer. Electron hopping occur in polynuclear assemblies of metal complexes bound, for instance, to a polymer support. Specific photo-induced electron transfer effect take place in restricted reaction spaces between groups on the surface of micelles in dendrimers or bound to the DNA double helix. System undergoing photo-induced electron transfer process represent components for light to electron conversion device. Of special interest is the design of system performing long-range electron transfer in order, for instance, to generate transmembrane photoelectric signal or to serve as the basis of electronic shift register memory at the molecular level. Dear student, our unit is approximately finished in after some lecture, but I not found any assignment by you. So please write your assignment after learn this chapter and prepare your notes by the help of PDF. I sent to PDF of book of J.M. Lane. This is the original book of VCH publication. So you prepare your notes by the help of this book. Dear students, and preparations to be continuous for competitive exams and university exams day by day, and advice follow of center and state government of COVID-19. So use for SMS regularly, as for social distance, mask for mask, and S for sanitizer. S for social distance, M for mask, and S for sanitizer. Thank you. Thank you so much.